So managing expenses in Odoo. So we have to install this module, projects expense or expenses. So we will go in expense. So we'll just cut it. So they are the old expenses we have. We will create a new one. Let's say we have a lunch and total amount is paid something to 10,000. So employees paid by manager. So the date of expense. So we'll attach receipt. Before that we will select category and then attach the receipt. So this is our receipt. So create a report, send to manager. So mark as done. That's a scheduled. So it's assigned to the owner, we can say, or administrator. So it's been submitted. The report has been submitted to administrator. So we will view report. So see, there could be some problems. So it's defining error. This is a refuse expense reset to draft. So it's been draft. We will submit to manager again. So we will refuse it and say not. Just add reason not and just refuse it. So we'll go in expense, cut this, so we can say that it is in draft.